Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First big welcome to the video. So it's the 21st of May, 2020. And as I've said at the start of this week, I'm going to start posting live daily trades that I'm taking using the new Vault X Pro dashboard. Okay, so some nice trades yesterday. One bad trade on the British Pound Aussie. The good trades were on the Kiwi USD, Aussie USD, and USD CAD. Also a nice trade this morning on the British Pound Kiwi. So you can watch yesterday's video and see how those trades actually ended up. They're still running. They're running nicely. Okay, so if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, you can hit the subscribe button now. And let's get into some live setups that are happening at the minute. And a really nice one. It's actually a trade that I'm in on my Signal service, weekly swing trades. And it's one I'm going to take today for a nice day trade. And as you can see, it's flashing red at the minute. It is the Euro GDP. Okay, so you can see most of the time frames on the stochastic dashboard are red. And if we head over to the RSI dashboard, it's approaching the 600 critical level. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to click and open up the Euro GDP. Okay, so the trade it's in at the minute is the weekly trade signal that was sent out on Sunday to my subscribers, and this trade is going to be on a day trade method, not day trade. So that's sorry. Okay, so what I'm kind of looking for is a bit of resistance on the charts. So a bit of resistance on the charts. So somewhere where the prices hit before and it's had a good reaction from before, and instantly, if we look at, I always want to look at the higher time frames. Okay, so instantly, okay, I can see, if we zoom out, you can see here where price kind of is now. We have had a reaction here before, created this low, and a reaction here before, and it hit up and it went up higher. Okay, so this is indicating a possible nice trading setup. So what I would like to do, firstly, I'll see if from this leg up here, if there was any fib lines that kind of line up. Okay, and you can see straight away that there's a 38.82 fib line that's actually lining up of this leg up here. So it bit of a confluencer, possible turning point in the market, especially with both these dashboards, both the RSI dashboard and the stochastic dashboard is hitting up towards the extremes. Okay, it is above 600 here. I kind of like these when they go up towards 700, which is heading there now. And most of the time frames here are flashing red. And I'm literally guarantee the Euro GDP on the RSI will flash red also today. So what I'm actually looking for now, I'll see if there's been any recent divergence signals. There hasn't been any on the 1 hour chart. 30-minute chart. Okay, so we had a recent one on the 30-minute chart, looking very, very promising. And I'll just flick down to the 15-minute chart also. Okay, so you can see we've had some here. So this here is indicating to me that we can enter this position. So I'm just going to sit, I'm just going to sell the trade now. Okay, we've had the divergence, we're at a critical extreme, and we've got a bit of resistance lining up nicely, both the fib area and previous resistance bouncer. You can see the bounce here and coming back up. So should be some bit of a reaction around this kind of area here on the chart. And on a daily basis, stop loss. Okay, so where am I going to want to put my stop loss? I want to put my stop loss somewhere where it's not going to get haunted and allow my trade to work out. Okay, so what I'd like to do is I'm going to put my stop maybe above these highs here, which about 60 pips up. Stick it just above the bands area here. Yeah, okay. And gain my take profit. Stop up here. Take profit. Actually, that was for the wrong. That's my signal service bit. Sorry. Okay, so take profit. I'm simply gonna. I'll put it down towards this. Okay, down towards this breakout area here of this high here. But I'll also just watch the dashboard. If the Euro GDP wants to start to fall, you can see it's getting very. The numbers are popping up very nicely there on it, and it's looking like it's getting ready to drop down. It's about to hit the 600 here. So a nice trading setup. Keep an eye on the screen. So if you're watching this early enough, you'll probably be able to get in on this trade also. So the Access Default Pro dashboard, the indicator instantly analyzes the full Forex market for you in a glance, pinpointing the best trading entries. You can click the link below. If you have any questions regarding it, simply mention in the comments section below or send me an email at will@fxas.com. Looking forward to hearing your results when you actually get the dashboard. If not, keep watching my videos, and yeah, maybe you will have some great results. So click the link below, access the Default X Pro now. Any questions, get in contact with me, and I shall see you on the next video. Have a great day.